cutie. Today we have a mini haul and I ordered a couple of things from the internet and I wanted to unbox them on the channel. So I'm making the video. There are a couple of tops and they do look similar, but I thought it's been a while since I've done a haul. I haven't bought any new clothes for a while, so I thought I would open it up with you on the camera. Oh, there we go. Okay, and this is from Bryant, and when I saw it, I thought it was so beautiful. And it's light pink, and it's a cami. And I will try that on for you right now. Here is the tank top with the satin bust. I really like the satin bust. I think that is so beautiful. And the lace right here along the front. The satin goes all the way around. And I did put it with some jean shorts because I thought it would go best with jean shorts. They got a little bit of snagging. Really like it. I think it's cute. It's got a sort of mom / hippie vibe to it. Boho. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. Here's the next one, and it's sent with this cute leopard shirt bag. And this is lavender, purple. Looks very pretty. Opening. Oh, look at, you can see the jewels through it. This one has jewels. And I thought it was so beautiful. I had to get it. And here, oh my gosh, I love this. Holy moly. I thought I was gonna like the other one better, but I think I like this one more. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Gems, embroidery, metallic threading. All these are beads. Beautiful, shiny. Oh my gosh, look at the front. I didn't even notice the beadwork. Oh my gosh, I want to try this on right now. And here is the purple top. I love it. I think it's got like that Y2K vibe. I don't know if it's vintage. It was not sold as vintage. But look. Oh my gosh. The beads go all the way. Look how gorgeous. All the way around. And this satin fabric is crinkle. And look at the beads in the front. Oh my gosh. They're so sparkly. And so beautiful. From behind, oh look at the fabric is the same, shimmery and shiny. So beautiful. I really like this one. It's a win. It's a W. Yes, I love it. Look at the designs. This is so beautiful. I love it. And I love sharing this with you guys. I have on the same shorts. I just kept the same shorts on. And I thought I would share this really quick. I absolutely love it. I think that is so cute. And a hands in the pocket. Cute summer outfit. Gorgeous. Oh, and I have my sandals. And the dress, I didn't show the full dress of the red one I had on, but I did do a video earlier and that will be posted and I will link it in the comments if you want to see the full dress that I was wearing in the beginning of the video. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. The color is so good. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for liking and sharing and subscribing. And thank you to everybody who spends time with me. I make lives. I've been doing lives daily for a while now and will do my best to continue the live. So thank you for spending time with me. Make sure you hit the notification so you can be notified when I go live. I love interacting with you guys and spending time getting to know you. Hope you're having a beautiful day. See ya.